There's a lot of talk these days about sales funnels. The question is, do you actually need a sales funnel in your business? And if so, why? Well, that's the topic of today's video. Hi, I'm Dave D, and this is the video series that helps you get more customers, clients, or patients by using proven sales strategies. Hello and welcome. Now, before we dive in, make sure that you're subscribed to this channel so you continue to get videos like this. Also, give this video a thumbs up to help other folks just like you find this useful content. So let's talk a little bit about sales funnels and whether or not you actually need a sales funnel. Well, as you probably guessed, the answer is yes, you need a sales funnel. But the real question is, why? Well, let's say you have a group of 100 prospects who at some point are going to buy a product or service like the one that you're selling. The facts are that only 15% of that group of 100, so only 15 people, are going to make a buying decision within the first 90 days. So for example, if you're a financial advisor, someone comes to your website, they get a little bit of information about you, they're not going to make a decision for up to 90 days as to whether to call you and schedule an appointment. Now, the truth is, most people don't even have a follow-up system that lasts 90 days. But here is the more amazing fact. 85% of your prospects, again, 85% of the people who will make a buying decision at some point will take up to 18 months before they pull the trigger. So let that sink in for just a second. What that means is if you don't have a comprehensive follow-up system or a sales funnel that nurtures your prospect, that shows that you're the authority, the celebrity, and the expert, that delivers valuable information to them, and if that doesn't last for at least 18 months, you're leaving the majority of the money on the table. Let's go back to the financial advisor example. Typically, a financial advisor will spend $5,000 or more putting on a seminar. They do the seminar and they get some appointments from that, and some of those appointments turn into clients. But there's also the group of people that signed up for the seminar but didn't show up for it. And there's also the group of people that showed up at the seminar but didn't schedule an appointment. Most advisors don't do anything with those groups of prospects that didn't take action immediately. And they just get on the marketing merry-go-round again, do another seminar, spend another $5,000, generate the leads, and they just do it over and over again. One of my financial advisor clients said to me that her IMO told her that she should just do more and more seminars if she wants more business to come in. And she was already getting burnt out. So what we did instead is have her put all of her leads into a comprehensive sales funnel. So every week, those leads are getting an email. They're getting invited to webinars. They're getting training videos. And what happens is when her prospects are ready to make the buying decision, and in her case is calling up to schedule an appointment, who do you think that they call? Well, they call Barbara because she's the only advisor that's been consistently following up with her leads. And by the way, Barbara is on track to double her business this year while not doubling the amount of seminars that she's doing. So the reason that you need a sales funnel, and even more important than the funnel part of it, is the comprehensive follow-up system, is because the vast majority of prospects who will make a decision at some point to buy a product or service like you're selling won't make it immediately. It may take them up to 18 months or more. And the marketing sin in all of this is that you've already invested money to generate this lead. If you have a sales funnel that leads to a comprehensive follow-up system, you can literally double your sales without increasing your marketing expense. It is such a powerful concept. Now, in our next video, we'll go over in detail what a really great sales funnel looks like and what it consists of. As always, I welcome your feedback and your opinions in the comments below, and I do read all of the comments. Also, if you have not subscribed yet to my daily email tips, go to salesespresso.com. That's salesespresso.com. And finally, check out this video, which I think you'll find very, very useful.